Center bed mat between wheel wells with mesh side up. Adjust bed mat 1/4 inch away from box wall at front and 1/2 inch away from edge of bed at rear. Starting with driver's side corner at tailgate, use hole and snap as template to mark location. Ensure bed mat is in correct position, then drill hole into truck bed. Now position male snap over hole and fasten with Phillips screw. Then press snaps together. Repeat procedure on opposite rear corner, followed by rear center. Install remaining snaps in same order, working from tailgate to cab.